Hello everyone, today for the science exhibition I had come up with an idea of biodegradable plastic. The aim of my project is to reduce the plastic pollution. As we know that everyday plastic is used on a very large scale and we have become habitual to it. Though we say that plastic is harmful and it is harmful, it should be banned. But it cannot be totally banned. It is required for packaging the other products also. So I had come up with an alternative for the plastic, which is biodegradable plastic, which get decomposed by the action of microorganisms like other plastic which is made from non-renewable sources like petroleum. It does not get decomposed and it is not eco-friendly. It takes about hundreds of years to get decomposed. Biodegradable plastic, the aim is to reduce the plastic pollution and focus is on green technology. Next thing I will come upon what are the requirements to make this plastic. We have there are 4 main ingredients to make this plastic. Those are the cornstarch, agar-agar, vinegar and water. These are the main ingredients, and other accessories for the procedure we will need, that is spoons, spatula, a container, a non-stick surface. Here I have used a foil, a stove, a pan, a container. Now I will come upon its procedure, that how we are going to make it. First of all, we will take 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in a container, tablespoon of agar-agar, and then at last 8 tablespoons of water. And then we will mix it all. Here I am using vinegar for dissolution of cornstarch, as cornstarch get dissolved well in the ionic solution. Agar acts as plasticizer, it gives the rubbery finish. Once it is mixed, means when the cornstarch get dissolved, we have to pour the solution into the pan and we have to switch on it on a medium to low flame, and then we have to constantly stir it till the solution becomes viscous, means paste-like, so that to evaporate the excess of water. It will take about 1 to 2 minutes, and once the solution has become viscous, we will transfer it onto the non-stick surface, and after transferring it, we will have to flatten it, or we can give any shape or mold when it is still hot. One of it. It has not completely dried, though you can see it has rubbery finish. It is now a little brittle because it haven't completely dried. So in this way we can make biodegradable plastic which can be degraded or can be decomposed by the action of microorganism and reduce the plastic pollution and save our environment.